A young man sits in his room at night, his face clouded with sadness. He is disappointed with his life because he keeps failing repeatedly. He feels like success is only for others, not for him. The room is dark, with only the glow of the computer screen illuminating his face. Have you ever asked yourself why you keep failing? Why do all your dreams shatter? Why does the world seem against you? Am I really worthless? The young man buries his face in his hands in despair. In the background, soft yet emotional music plays. The screen begins to show moments of failure from famous personalities like Thomas Edison, Jack Ma, Michael Jordan, and others. Their struggles and setbacks flash across the screen. Do you think you have failed? Then listen. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times. Jack Ma was rejected from over 30 jobs. Michael Jordan was cut from his school's basketball team, but did they give up? All of them failed, but did they stop? No, they worked harder. They learned from their mistakes, and they kept moving towards success. The young man now stands in front of a mirror, looking at himself with seriousness. A thought crosses his mind. Maybe his life can change too. Why do you consider yourself weak? You have the same strength within you that successful people had. The only difference is, were you born to give up, or does the fire of success run through your veins? Remember, failure is a test. It doesn't come to break you, it comes to make you stronger. The young man takes a deep breath and decides he will not give up anymore. He commits himself to his dreams, ready to fight against all odds. He starts working hard at night, dedicating himself to his goals while his friends enjoy leisure time. He studies, practices, and struggles. It won't be easy, it will hurt. People will try to stop you, they will look down on you, they will laugh at you. But if you remain patient, one day the same world will be proud of you. The video shows the young man tirelessly working day and night. He gets exhausted but doesn't stop. He faces difficulties but doesn't give up. And then for the first time, he sees the fruit of his hard work. He gets his first award, his first opportunity, or his first positive result. His eyes fill with tears of joy and he feels proud of himself. Do you see? Hard work never goes to waste. This is the beginning of your success. This is the moment that will change your destiny. The young man's face lights up with happiness. He shares the good news with his parents. His friends, who once doubted him, now admire him. He has become an inspiration. The same young man is now a successful person. He stands on a grand stage, sharing his story with thousands of people who are deeply moved by him. This is the day you worked for. This is the position you sacrificed for. This is the moment you once dreamed of. Now you have become an example for others. Now, people will learn from you. Now the world will remember you. Remember, this life is yours. These decisions are yours. Either sit back and accept defeat, or stand up and show the world who you are. Success doesn't come from magic. It is the result of hard work, patience, and dedication. If you truly want to change your life, start working hard today. Because one day the world will look at you and say, this is the same person we once called a failure. If you give up, nothing will change. But if you fight, everything can change.